Each of the curriculum titles in the Project Discovery product line includes a very robust complement of materials, including all of the hands-on tools that make the kits so essential for teachers and exciting for learners. Let's look at what's in a kit. Our instructors' notes provide classroom-ready instructions for educators. These include manipulative and acquired skills, key vocabulary, and writing portfolio activities. The activities in the kits are engaging to students as they follow the step-by-step directions for task completion. Students become active learners when they are motivated by the dynamic hands-on activities. Specifically designed special education versions include a First Look PowerPoint, which introduces key vocabulary at a low reading level. Audio is included for non-readers. Knowledge and performance-based assessments are provided in each kit. The pre-post tests help document knowledge-based gains. The work performance benchmarks provide a detailed task analysis and can be used as a tool for a performance-based evaluation. This documentation demonstrates to employers the skills students have attained. The adapted versions have their own specially designed pre-post tests and data sheets for progress monitoring. The kits include most of the tools, equipment, and supplies needed to perform kit activities. The materials shown are included in the caregiver kit. The kits are delivered in one or more durable tubs for easy storage and management of materials. Students use real tools of the trade to perform real job tasks. They become active learners and discover their interests, strengths, and preferences as they practice job-related skills. Examples of tools incorporated into our kits include a power drill, blood pressure cuff, stethoscope, and an actual small engine. Customizable certificates of accomplishment are included to recognize each student upon completion of the kit activities. We provide digital files of all program components on a thumb drive to give instructors the flexibility to customize the curriculum and to use with different technology. For low and non-readers, real voice audio is included in many of our curriculum components. For example, in the Adapted series, all PowerPoints, pre-post tests, and student instructions have real voice audio, narrated by a professional voice actor. Our parent involvement brochure informs parents in a positive, meaningful way to foster discussion with students about the kit activities.